Hello guys, welcome to the paid video in this series. In this video, we will work in our Google Drive and we will show how we can write in it. Let's first open the drive. Here I am creating a new folder for this project. Now I am creating a blank Google Sheet. All data will be saved in this spreadsheet. An Excel sheet and a spreadsheet, both are different. A spreadsheet can contain n number of sheets. As you can see, when I am clicking the plus sign, new sheet is created in a single spreadsheet. Now in this sheet, I am writing heading for each of the column. This is not mandatory, but for a large project, you need to write this heading for your benefit. Here, I am just decorating the headings to differentiate with our data. For backend coding, here I am creating a app script. The backend part is written in JavaScript. Not worry about it. If you don't know JavaScript, I will explain you the coding line by line. Let's start writing the code. I was missed that portion. Let's first give our spreadsheet a name. Now name that sheet where you want to save all the data. Now let's copy the spreadsheet link. Paste that link here. In this first line, in variable SS, we have stored the spreadsheet. In this second line, we are extracting the sheet by its name from the spreadsheet. As you can see, our spreadsheet contains three sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2 and item. So here we are extracting the item sheet from the spreadsheet. To send data from our application to Drive, we have used POST request. To extracting the send data, we will use doPost function. In this line, we are assigning date and time in date variable. By this line, we are going to be create an ID. As you can see, here first and last row is 1. Sheet.get last row will be give us the last row of that sheet. For now, the last row is 1. So ID will be item 1. Here, new item will be added in second row. Then last row will be 2. Then the ID will be item 2. You must remember we was added our input data with some key. In this whole line, we are extracting the input data from that keys. In line 7, I am extracting name of the book from its key book name and assign it with item name. Same thing I have done in next 3 lines. By this line of code, we save all our data in Google Sheet. After successfully write in Google Sheet, we need to return a feedback to our application. Here I am returning a text success. This is end of coding, now publish it. First give a name to this app script. Here I have done a mistake in return statement. There was a syntax mistake and a spelling mistake. Now click on Publish and select Deploy as Web App. Here you can write what you have done here. That is not mandatory. Let's write something. Now select Access Permission to anyone and anonymous and press the button Deploy. Now click on Review Permission. Select your account here. You did not need to worry about this. Google has not verified our app script, that's why this warning has come. Now click on Advanced. Select this option. Now click on Allow. It is completed. We have get the URL. Let's check what we have done. In Postman, convert the request to post and paste the link. Here I am writing the key and its value. Here something is wrong. Sorry guys, I was make a spelling mistake in return statement and now I have fixed it. And this is the code. Let's send again the data from Postman to our Google Sheet. Here key must be remain same for every time. Only value of that key will be changed. Here you can see we have got a text feedback success from our drive. That means this data must be successfully written in our sheet. Let's check that. Here you can see that. This is end of this video. In next video we will be complete the rest portion of write activity. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.